Hello, Tamara. In this video, let us talk about the social nature of man. Now, we often hear it commonly said that no man is an island. And in a sense, that is true. Human beings are actually quite dependent on interactions with other humans. And in fact, we particularly feel this difficulty in the time of our pandemic where we are seeking social interaction. And many resort to online so that you will still have a limited interaction with other people. Social encounters with groups build on the important impact of groups on individuals and utilizes group processes to accomplish individual and group goals. Essentially, what this is saying is that, well, humans are actually very social people and that we join groups because we have a common goal with them, and sometimes we join groups because our individual goal is forwarded by joining into that particular group. There are two major results when we join a group. Of course, the first one and the ideal one is cooperation and unity. However, sometimes it's unavoidable that we will have conflict. In fact, sociologists said that beyond a certain number of people, the group will actually break apart into several subgroups because a large group is very hard to sustain. So, how does conflict come about? It can be defined as a friction between individuals due to differences of opinions, ideas, beliefs, values, needs, or objectives. There are four levels of conflict. The first is intrapersonal. You remember this word for when we talk about communication. But intrapersonal is self-conflict. So, if the person has personal issues. The second one is interpersonal conflict where there will be issues between two people. The third one is intragroup where there is an issue within the group. And the fourth one is intergroup, where there will be two or more groups that have conflicts within or between each other. So those are the levels of conflict, and we can see examples of it even in our everyday lives. Given these levels of conflict, we oftentimes label people as difficult to work with. But what makes a person difficult to work with? I hope you have read your reading for this one on how to deal with difficult people, and it also will give you the different kinds of people and the issues that you will encounter when you deal with them. And with that, I will see you next time.